Hi, I'm Carrie Foreman of Muskoka Mornings, and we're going to do hot chocolate today. So we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk if you don't do the nut milks, and we're just going to heat that up for a few minutes, depending how hot you want it. If you don't want it too hot, you don't need to heat this at all. We're just going to pour that 1/4 cup of hot milk into the blender. Now, you can use more milk, less water if you're wanting something really creamy and thick. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of our egg white protein powder, of course. So this will help to balance your blood sugar because it keeps you fuller longer, and a nice way to get protein in the diet. We need protein to manufacture hormones, muscles, brain cells, all sorts of organs. So our No Yolking egg white protein powder in our nice fully compostable bag. So throw it in the green bin. 9 to 12 months later, it's completely gone. Nothing to go in our oceans and landfills and stuff to break down. We're going to use a full tablespoon of cacao powder. Now, I always use cacao powder over the cocoa powder. I am today going to use a tablespoon of stevia. Stevia doesn't spike your blood sugar at all, has a sweet taste. If you don't like the stevia, I highly recommend using Latte sweetener. To that, we're going to add a nice tablespoon of MCT oil, again, fat for fuel, good for the brain. We're going to give it a gentle stir here. Let me just get that lid on there. And it's just a gentle stir. It's just to get those ingredients a little bit going before we get the heat of our hot water, because we don't want to cook the egg before it's mixed in with the rest. I'm just going to turn that back on and throw in 1 cup of hot water. Turn it up just a little. And there we have it. It's a nice comfort food without any guilt.